Hi, and welcome to the second season of My Real Sources Quick Tips. I'm Debbie Fajardo, Director of Education, and we're continuing to bringing you the tips you've grown to love. We've got great content to help you navigate Paragon and all of the great resources we have. I hope you'll enjoy today's quick tip.
Would you like to make your CMA stand out from the crowd? You can improve your CMA with adding in a photo to replace the aerial view that's the default in Cloud CMA. If you're struggling with adding a photo and you don't have one, we'll show you how to get one from BS&A the Municipal Directory. From your tax icon, you'll want to access BS&A, a member benefit, that deep linking from My Real Source. You'll search for your county. Now, as usual, when searching for something like St. Clair, I usually just type in Clair and then go to the county, or I can actually select the city right here. Then type in your address and hit return to make it search. Now you'll want to pick the one that says parcel number, not account. And here is your photo. You'll see that you have one image and two sketches that are here as well. And there you have it. So what I'm simply going to do from the main page is right-click on my mouse and save my image to downloads. You can also save your image as and pick the folder you would like, whatever is easiest for you to find. A lot of times when I'm saving photos, I will put it right to my desktop, or I can even add it right to my photos from here. But for today, I'm simply going to put it in my downloads, and there you have it. That's been saved. So let's go back over to Paragon and open up my CMA that I did previously. From your resources icon, you can access Cloud CMA. Now from the top, I can navigate right to the CMA, buyer tours, property reports, or flyers. So let's go right to my CMA. And the one that I've done most recently will be right here. This actually is one that came from Facebook. You'll see the Facebook logo on here. And I can simply go in and edit or tweak the one that was sent to my client previously. So I'll click the edit button on the bottom right of that box. And you'll see under the private notes, it's sent to debbie@att.net. Here are the pertinents of the home. And here is where you can add a cover photo on the right-hand side. So let's click into this. And that will open up your Finder. If I saved it to my desktop, it will be up top. Let's see. And there's my photo right there. And choose this one. I can crop. Maybe I want to crop out that car just a little bit. And crop. There you have it. You have successfully added your photo. So I'm going to go to my next green button. Now because this one was created for a client using the What's My Home Worth, maybe I want to go in and change any of the comparables that were in here. Maybe like Riverside Avenue isn't exactly close to my neighborhood. So this is where you can simply uncheck, make adjustments, and do anything that you like. Maybe you could trim down the list a little bit. And from here, I'll go back to the top. And remember, you can add in a suggested sales price right here. I'm going to go straight to publish as opposed to customizing my CMA. Now I have two different options here. I can view the PDF or I can view the live. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the PDF. And you'll see where I had cropped out the majority of the vehicle that was in there. And as I scroll down, you'll see there's the cover letter that is automatically generated. If your cloud CMA doesn't have this, just email me or text support and we'll help you get that back in there. And remember to update your resume. Now this is generally information from your brokerage, but you see my real source is not a brokerage, but the MLS. Information about the CMA. Of course, contact me information is always in here. And the report that I've picked has my name and contact information at the bottom of every single page. So now you'll see where all those comparables were being generated from. I'd probably trim down some of the ones out of the neighborhood here. In the Riverside maybe. And maybe back in there too. So I hope you've enjoyed today's quick tip. Remember, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't subscribed as of yet to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button so you'll get notified when we release new videos.